What up, gamers? This is the Wandering Infected Gamer, and this is a small guide for those playing Idol Slayer. So you... words. Sorry, I'm having an off day today. So you've been to the top of Mount Otto, you talked to the random guy that just spits in your face about being a Slayer or whatever, and you get to this part and you see that you can't progress. You don't care much about the igloos because you don't currently have the progression needed to take care of that. I don't have enough keys. So you decide to wander back yourself and see if anything's different. Only to then realize, while you're heading down the cave, you notice this odd stick of pile of dynamite. Well, in order to light this dynamite, you need a key item, more specifically, the flaming crossier. Only, you need to have this thing upgraded to the sacred flaming crossier. And once you do that, you'll be able to light the dynamite. Now this is my first time actually seeing anything, so you're gonna watch as I react to whatever's in here. Holy crap, a doorway. What? Oh, this is cool. Who's this bloke sleeping on the floor? Yes, please. Garlic butter. I think this dude's hungry. Yeah, just smack him with a sword and wake him up. Ooh. That is a really awesome waterfall. Is that really it, though? Maybe there's more with an update? Maybe perhaps I'll need something else later. But yep, that's how you light the dynamite. This is the official YouTube guide, seeing as no one else has really pointed this out specifically. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. Wandering Infected Gamer, out. Okay, after I ended the recording, I went back to see the rest of the village, see if they had any reaction towards the explosion that happened inside of a cave. But for the quest regarding waking the guy up, what you have to do is that you have to talk to the farmer right here. He'll then talk about how it's too expensive importing food they don't produce, and so he'll have you help to expand the farm. Oh, I hate having to use the frozen shards. I only just recently unlocked the ascending heights. How to unlock the ascending heights is, wait, how do I unlock it again? Oh, it's, you have to complete the Yeti quest for Kolo, the, wrong building. Again, wrong building, I'm a moron. This guy, Kolo. You'll see him wearing a jacket near near Mount Otto. But after that, after you After you complete his quest, you'll unlock these in the Ascension tree. Where are you? Where are you? These specifically. Soul Climbing Boots. You can get them pretty early on after you Ultra Ascend. So that's nice. In fact, you might even be able to unlock them before you get the cursed chest thing. And if anyone is curious as to how you get daggers, well, that's how you get them. More specifically, you want to enable this. Higher altitudes. Increase the altitude of the ascending heights by 1,000 meters, but you have a 20% chance of getting an armor chest. That armor chest will contain daggers. I got a pretty nice Adrenos dagger with a 1.8% additional CPS and souls bonus, so you get the best of both, which is very nice. So yeah, this small extra snippet of footage is going to help out with like all of this info. I'll try and condense it down into a title that'll engage most as a sort of multi-answer thing. God, I really do not want to have to spend on charms. 200 scraps? I rarely ever have 20! Oh god, this is gonna take forever.